Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. So today's video is going to be a dip set on my sister-in-law. So she always comes to me to get her nails done. I have plenty of sister-in-laws, so you will probably see her in more videos to come. But I did go ahead and apply some tips to her natural nails, and right now I am just blending down the tips to blend a little bit better with her natural nail, so that way it'll make for a smoother application process. So as I said, she is getting dip powder for her nail set, and we are going to be using D&D products. Of course, I love D&D products. They're the bomb. So we're going to be using pink champagne and aqua gray, and then we're going to be using the nail set that it comes with, all 4 applications. So this one, number 1, is going to be the bonder, which you can kind of call this the nail dehydrator. So that's basically what this does. It dehydrates the nail, so that way it will have a chance to have the base gel to adhere to the natural nail. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we are going to open up the color of the nail powder that we want to use, and we're going to take our base gel. And normally what I do is just apply a nice thin layer down the center, closer to the tip of the nail, so that way we can create the apex. And on this particular finger, she wanted to have this one be gray. And then also I'm going to be doing the same on her other hand as well. So once we do that, then we're going to start to go back through and apply the base gel to the entire nail to build up that nail. So I normally like to do three coats of dip powder, especially for her, because I know she works with her hands at her job that she does. So I would rather for it to have a nice nail consistency. It's not too bulky, but you definitely won't have to worry about it breaking or cracking, because I put on 3 layers. Okay, so now I am going to seal this in with the last layer. I know you guys are probably going to be like, well, that's 4 layers. Well, I like to do 3 layers of the actual color itself, and then I seal it in with the D&D sheer top coat. Well, not top coat, but the sheer top coat powder. So it has like a pinkish, light pinkish tint, almost close to clear. But yeah, I like to use that, and that's how I'm going to seal in my color. Okay, so now I'm just dusting off any extra powder that may be along the nails. And then I'm going to take my nail file, and then I'm also going to take step number 3, and I am going to apply the activator. Step number 3 is the activator, which is going to act like a glue, and it is going to penetrate through each layer of the dip powder that you have on your nails, and it's going to harden it. So I'm going to do that, let it sit for probably like 2 minutes. Once it gets hard, then I'm going to go in with the nail file and I'm going to shape up the nails a little bit. Also, please be generous with this. Don't be stingy. Don't say, oh, okay, well, I'll just do one coat. No, you probably should apply a lot, because remember, even though I have on like 3 to 4 layers, it has to penetrate through each of the layers to get down to the bottom. So be generous with this, so that way it will have a chance to harden up all the powder that you have in your on your set. Okay, so now that I went ahead and I used the nail file to crispen up the square shape, I'm going to take my nail drill and I'm going to go around the cuticle. Also, just in case I had got any product on the cuticle, I am going to shave that down. And then I'm also going to go over the nail to kind of make sure that it's smooth as well. And then once I'm done with filing it, then I will go back in with step number 3 and then reapply that activator and let it sit for another 2 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to buff the nails, and this is going to make it so much smoother on top, so that way you won't have any lumps or bumps on your nails. So now I'm taking the activator and I am applying that over the nails, seeing as how we did file and buff the nails. So now we just want to get that last layer on there so that way it can soak through the nails and the layers and it can make it nice and hard. So once I do that, then I'm going to let the nails sit for about two minutes, and then we are going to apply our top gel. Okay, so I kind of felt like the nails were just a little bit too plain. So, of course, me being the blingy person I am, I went ahead and I applied some cuticle bling to the gray nails on both hands. So, just to give it a little bit of pop, add that cuticle bling, and it looks so much better. And of course, our favorite slogan is, when in doubt, bling it out. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. These are super cute, and yeah, they turned out very well, and I definitely love the bling around the cuticles. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7, and comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys want to see from me, and I will see you next time. Bye.